You can perform the double wrist lock or Kimura from many positions. This simple demonstration will begin from side control. Keeping your weight down on your opponent, isolate their arm, pinning their wrist on the ground in line with their hip using your opposite hand. Once you have full control of that wrist, drag it up the mat as far as you can towards the opponent's own shoulder. Slide your other hand under your elbow until you can grab your own wrist with your thumbs always on top. Once you have this grip, raise the elbow off the ground and push the hand under, along the mat, towards the head until you get the tap. If you cannot get enough leverage, another option is to use a deep underhook to turn them on their side, switch your grip, apply the same lock, but with much greater force. And remember, the more you practice anything, the better you will get at that. What are your tips for the Kimura? What techniques would you like to see next? Answer in the comments, and please like, share, and subscribe.